Hello everybody. In this video, I'll teach you how to unpack tuples with Python functions. So to start off, I'll create a list of tuples where I'll define the number of animals a farm has and then show you how to unpack them. Now I will unpack them using for loop. Okay, so now what if I want to access specific element inside of that list? Now you might be confused by the result, but to keep it simple, just know that since I am accessing individual element, I'm also specifying which element I want to grab by using the placeholder for individual element position inside of the for loop. Now let's change animal to number. I hope you got the idea, but still if you haven't, you can always go to the comment section and ask your doubts there. Okay, now if you want to practice unpacking tuples more, I will give you an exercise that you can work on. Define a function get name and age that takes in a tuple with two values, a number, a name which will be a string, and an age which will be an integer. Inside the function, use tuple unpacking to assign the name to a variable called name and the age to a variable called age. Print out the string that says print name comma age using f string formatting literal. Call the function with a tuple containing your name and age. Now this is the solution. The solution is in the description. Now that's it for this video. If you have any queries, you can always go to the comment section to ask them there.